So I'm here with Bill Parry from Hubtex. Bill, great to see you at CMAT. Tell us a bit about Hubtex in the background.
The company started in 1995 and it was created because we felt there was a need for a specialist side loader company to offer to the steel and timber industry. Up till that point, the industry was fairly fragmented and it was more forklift companies with multi-franchises, and they didn't really have the service backup or the focus that we thought that it needed. So we thought we'd be specialists in the side loader game and promote narrow aisles for long materials.
Wonderful. Well, it's a great niche. Now, Hubtex, I think you said was originally manufactured in Germany, and now it's an Australian company?
No, Hubtex Germany has been around since 1958, and they manufacture in Germany. When I was looking to team up with a supplier, I contacted them. They said they were interested in being in the Australian market, so I flew over there and we signed a gentleman's agreement for 12 months, and 28 years later, here we are.
Fantastic. Well, that must be a testament to obviously the great relationship and the customer service you can provide here in the Australian market as well.
Yeah, and we're very happy with the way it's gone. We operate nationally now. It became very evident early on that you needed to have the service support for the machines, and as we grew and sold machines interstate, we had to back them up. So once we got a critical mass of machines in each state, we then opened a branch, and we have 5 branches around Australia now.
Fantastic. Now, Bill, tell us about CeMAT. It's the second day today. Have you enjoyed it?
I have. We've had a good quality customers coming through. I mean, it's a very focused sort of fair, and yeah, we're really happy with how it's gone.
Great. Well, I know we've got the networking drinks in a couple of hours, so it'll be good to everyone to catch up and have a drink and say hello to a lot of people I haven't seen for a while.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Great. Well, congratulations. Beautiful booth, great machinery. So well done, Bill, and look forward to seeing you at CMAT again.
Great. Thanks very much.
Cheers.
Thank you.